Welcome to Touring Globe. Here is a detailed look at common scams in Spain. Spain's vibrant cities and beautiful landscapes attract many tourists each year. Unfortunately, this also makes it a target for various scams. Being aware of these scams can help ensure a trouble-free visit. 1. The pickpocket scam. Pickpockets operate in crowded areas like La Rambla in Barcelona or Puerta del Sol in Madrid, working in groups to distract and steal from unsuspecting tourists. Real incident 2023. A tourist in Barcelona had their wallet stolen while a group of individuals created a distraction around them. Our recommendation: keep your belongings secure and be especially vigilant in crowded areas. Use money belts or anti-theft bags to minimize risk. 2. The fake police officer scam. Scammers posing as police officers ask to check your identification or money for counterfeit bills, then steal your cash or personal items. Real incident 2022. In Madrid, a tourist was approached by someone pretending to be a police officer, who stole their wallet while checking it for fake bills. Our recommendation: always verify the identity of anyone claiming to be law enforcement and avoid handing over personal items to strangers. 3. The fake petition scam. Scammers with clipboards ask tourists to sign fake petitions for various causes, then demand donations or steal personal information. Real incident 2023. In Barcelona, a tourist was asked to sign a petition for a supposed charity and was later pressured into donating $55. Our recommendation: be cautious of anyone asking you to sign petitions or donate money. Verify the legitimacy of any causes before contributing. 4. The overpriced tapas scam. Some restaurants in tourist areas charge inflated prices for tapas and other dishes, often with hidden fees or charges for items you didn't order. Real incident 2023. In Madrid, a tourist received a bill for $90 at a tapas bar, with charges for items not ordered or consumed. Our recommendation: check menus and prices carefully before ordering, and review your bill to ensure there are no unexpected charges. 5. The free gift scam. Vendors offer free gifts or samples, then pressure tourists into buying expensive items or services after accepting the gift. Real incident 2022. In Seville, a tourist was given a free souvenir and then pressured to buy additional items totaling over $110. Our recommendation: be wary of free offers and understand that they may come with hidden costs. Always ask about the total cost before accepting any gifts. 6. The fake taxi scam. Unlicensed taxi drivers may charge high rates or take longer routes to increase fares. They may pose as official drivers to deceive tourists. Real incident 2023. A tourist in Barcelona was charged $65 for a short ride from the airport, while a licensed taxi would have cost around $27. Our recommendation: use official taxis or ride-sharing apps, and always confirm the fare before starting your journey. 7. The friendly local scam. Scammers pose as friendly locals offering assistance, only to distract tourists while an accomplice steals their belongings. Real incident 2022. In Valencia, a tourist was approached by a helpful local who distracted them while their bag was stolen by another accomplice. Our recommendation: be cautious of overly friendly strangers and keep your belongings secure, especially when approached by individuals in busy areas. 8. The lost wallet scam. Scammers may claim to have found your wallet or other personal items, then ask for a reward or personal details in exchange. Real incident 2023. In Barcelona, a tourist was approached by someone who claimed to have found their wallet and asked for money for its return. Our recommendation: be skeptical of claims that personal items have been found and avoid giving out personal information or money to strangers. 9. The fake ticket scam. Scammers sell counterfeit or overpriced tickets for attractions or events, leaving tourists unable to gain entry. Real incident 2023. A tourist in Madrid purchased tickets from a street vendor for a popular attraction, only to be turned away because the tickets were fake. Our recommendation: buy tickets only from official sources or reputable sellers to avoid counterfeit tickets and ensure entry. 10. The exclusive shopping scam. Shops in tourist areas may sell overpriced or low-quality goods, often marketing them as exclusive or limited edition. Real incident 2022. In Malaga, a tourist paid $165 for a limited edition souvenir that was readily available for much less elsewhere. Our recommendation: research prices and products before making purchases and avoid shops that use aggressive marketing tactics to push high prices. These comprehensive lists should help you navigate each destination more safely and avoid common scams. If you need more information or have any other questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.